Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram highlights logo. So first of all, and of course, you'll need the Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android, or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create an account. But if you do have an account, just ignore all of that. Go log into your account and let's get straight to the tutorial. So as we said, we want to change Instagram highlight logo. So first of all, if we want to change our highlight logo, we need to have a highlight. So let's just go here to our profile by clicking at our picture at the bottom right corner. Then as you can see here, we have story highlights. You can just click here on new, and as you can see here, keep your stories in your archive after they disappear, so you can look back to on your memories. Only you can see what's in your archive, but we don't want to add this on our archive. We want to add this on our highlights. So let's just here go to our one of my stories. So let's just go here to the middle one, because this one is on closest friend. Let's just go here to the middle one. As you can see here, we have an option down there on the bottom right corner called highlights. So if I just click on that, it will be added to my highlights. Here I can add the title to my highlights. So let's say, for example, hello, just write hello and click on the check mark, then click on add. So as you can see, if you want to remove it from your highlight again, just click on the same icon and click here. As you can see, removing from highlights. Just let's add it now to show you how to edit your logo. Just click on add, and let's just go back. Now all you need to do, just go to your profile. As you can see here on highlights, we have this highlight here now. So this highlight will never be gone from Instagram. It's not like story, it will be gone from for 24 hours. This highlight will be here for forever until you deleted it. So how can I change the logo of this highlight? So all I need to do, just go to your highlight and click on that. As you can see here, we have an option called more at the bottom right corner. Click on that again. Then all you need to do here is just go and click at edit highlight. As you can see here, we have an option called edit cover. So all I need to do, just click on that edit cover, then choose whatever picture you want. Maybe you would like to leave the same picture but change the position of the cover. Maybe you can like zoom in, zoom out, or even change it. Just go and click here at your gallery. Let's say I want to do this as an highlight instead. I'll just click here at the flash. It will process and take a bit of time, and then maybe edit it as you want. So let's just do that and click on done. Then just maybe if you want to change even the title, if you don't want, just leave it there and click on done again. So let's wait until it's load. So as you can see here, we have a new cover on our highlight. So if you enter the highlight, you will see another picture, but the logo is changed from what we want. So that is how you change the cover of your highlights on Instagram. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.